Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about ZoomIt software. How to download and install ZoomIt on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So ZoomIt features are Zoom, Draw, Record, Countdown, Timer. So let's get started and download the ZoomIt software. So open Chrome browser, type ZoomIt download for Windows 10 https://learn.microsoft.com. Click this link. So I will provide this link in download link in description of this video. So ZoomIt download link. ZoomIt download link. So let's download this software here. Download ZoomIt. So we need to learn shortcuts. ZoomIt shortcuts. These are the important. First, let's unzip this software. So let's create one folder. New folder. Suppose Zoom. Copy this folder to Zoom. So extract here. So I have 7-zip. So I will extract by using 7-zip. Extract here. If you don't have 7-zip, you can right click. So extract all. Extracted, right? These are the files are there. So let's delete, shift plus delete. So here zoom right. So more options, rename. Let's edit to ZoomIt. ZoomIt Control X. So go to C drive, paste. Because paste this in C drive, it will be auto boot up when your system is start. So it is recommended to place the software in C drive. So let's open this. So actually this we need to open when we are using this software, we need to open, but if we are placing in C drive, not required to open, it will be auto boot up, auto start this ZoomIt. So let's understand few shortcuts. Here first feature, this is for the zoom for the control 1, control 2 for the draw right. So control 2. See, it will open some dot kind of. So after that, suppose I want to green color, suppose I want to red color, I want to enter some text. You can enter like that text. So like you can draw whatever you want. So escape. If you want to come out, escape. So if you want to come out, you need to press the escape. Like these are the so many shortcuts are there. See, exit. You can use escape, ESC. So countdown. Let's check countdown. So screen recording feature, zoom feature, draw feature, countdown feature. See, so countdown. Control plus 3. Control plus 3. See, this is the countdown feature. Escape. So it's all about the ZoomIt software. So this is used for all the content creators, teachers. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will provide download link in description of this video.